To fix a Breville coffee maker that is displaying the 001 error code, it is essential to understand what this code signifies. The 001 error code is an indication that the coffee maker requires cleaning. This error is commonly caused by scale buildup and a dirty coffee grinder. To resolve the issue, the machine needs to be descaled. Fill the water chamber with a solution of half water and half vinegar or descaling fluid. Then press the brew button and stop it halfway through the cycle. Allow the machine to rest for about an hour with the solution in the chamber to clean the carafe. After this, complete the cycle. Rinse out the solution, and run a final cycle with water alone. Additionally, cleaning the coffee grinder is necessary. Unplug the machine, unlock the hopper, remove the beans, and brush the grinder with a soft bristled brush. For any hard-to-reach debris, a vacuum can be used. By following these steps, the 001 error code should be resolved, and the coffee maker will be functioning properly again.